What are some solutions to prevent or mitigate coral bleaching? If you are concerned about the health of our ocean's coral reefs and want to know how to help prevent or mitigate coral bleaching, you are on the right track. Let us break down some effective strategies to protect these vital ecosystems. First, addressing climate change is key. One of the most significant threats to coral reefs is global warming, which causes the water to get too hot for corals to survive. Reducing carbon emissions is crucial. This means transitioning to renewable energy sources, increasing energy efficiency, and implementing carbon capture technologies. International agreements like the Paris Agreement aim to limit global warming to 1.5 degrees C above pre-industrial levels, which could help prevent further warming of the oceans. Another important strategy is establishing and enforcing marine protected areas, MPAs. These areas act as refuges where corals can thrive without human interference from overfishing, pollution, and coastal development. MPA help reduce local stressors that can weaken corals and make them more susceptible to bleaching. Local environmental conditions can also support coral resistance to bleaching. For example, some coral reefs are naturally protected by shading from mountains or cliffs, or they benefit from cooler water due to upwelling or proximity to deep water. Strong currents can also help by flushing out toxins that trigger bleaching. Additionally, some coral species are more resistant to bleaching than others, such as massive, boulder-shaped corals like porites and favia. Reducing local stressors is another critical approach. This includes limiting damage from recreation, improving water quality, and managing fishing pressures. For instance, practicing safe and responsible diving and snorkeling can prevent damage to the reefs. Avoid touching the reefs or anchoring your boat on them, as this can kill corals. Instead, use moorings or anchor in sandy areas. Protecting water quality is also vital. Minimize the use of fertilizers on your lawn, as excess nutrients can pollute waterways and harm coral reefs. Properly dispose of trash, especially plastics, to prevent marine debris. Reducing stormwater runoff by using rain barrels or rain gardens can also help keep waterways clean. Cooling systems are being developed to help protect high-value reefs. The Climate Foundation has created a field-based cooling system that can lower the temperature of reef water, giving corals a better chance of surviving heat stress events. This system has shown promising results in restoring coral color and health within a short period. Finally, making lifestyle changes can contribute significantly to coral reef health. Use environmentally friendly modes of transportation, save energy at home and work, and be mindful of your sunscreen choices. Some ingredients can harm corals. Spreading awareness and educating your community about the importance of coral reef conservation can also make a big difference. By combining these strategies from global actions to reduce carbon emissions to local efforts to protect and conserve coral reefs, we can work towards preventing and mitigating coral bleaching, ensuring the long-term health and survival of these incredible ecosystems.